actually build your own app without any knowledge. Simple as it is. Hey guys, namaste, this is GeniusX6 here, back again with another video. This video I got the coolest thing you can ever do with an iPhone. If you have an iPhone or iPad, any sort of iDevice, then you can actually create or build an app from scratch. You can choose your own name, you can have your own theme, you can create any website, or you can convert any website to app. If there are websites that you want that to be built for as an app, then you can do it. Please follow this instruction carefully from start to finish. You don't need to be tech guru for the record, okay? You can actually build your own app without any knowledge. Simple as it is. First of all, what I want you to do is download an app called Siri Shortcut. So very simple. There are a lot of things you can do with this one. So download that, and once you download it, it will load that app. So at first, when you're loading any sort of a shortcut app, it might say unknown source. Just press yes, it is safe to do so, and then this will be the first interface you will come up with. Okay, so you might not see all of these, but you might gonna see one of them. Okay, once you have it, don't press these three dots, just press in the middle. Once you press in the middle, then what's gonna happen is it will ask you to put the name. So I'm gonna put name. So once you put the name on it, and then we'll press next, it will ask you to put a URL. That's the Apple one. Press done. Once you press done, it will ask you to choose an icon. For demonstration purpose, I've decided to create this as an Apple, icon. So the red apple. Nobody have ever done it. Press that, and it will ask you to download a profile. So what you do, you press allow, download a profile. It will show you where you have to go to actually install the profile. Okay. So go in the setting app. And then in setting up, at first it will show you profile downloaded. Tap the profile and it will prompt you straight away what profile you will be working on it. So it says install profile, which is Apple. It will tell you the name. It might be different depending on whatever name you want to put it on. Okay, so press install. Once you press install, and then it will ask you to put a password on this. I'm going to put my own password. And once you put your own password, it will ask you to go next. Go press consent. Warning, the profile is not signed. Again, you are creating this profile, nobody is. Press install. Once you press install, and it will go verify that and press done. Once you have done from here, tap that. This is the first time it will load. So you can convert any URL to app completely free without any knowledge, paying $0. If you like this type of content, guys, please share it with your friends and family members. Sub to my channel will be awesome. And this is GeniusX6 signing out. Peace.